This is Daniel Burns. One thing that Burns loves more than Moises Alou
Yes.
is ice cream. And he loves his Moises Alou.
Ice cream, I actually love it more than most things. There's many more than 2 ways to make ice cream, but the most classic is anglaise. So that's how your grandmother would have made it, with half milk, half cream, and a lot of egg yolks. All right, so starting with anglaise is always the quality of the milk. You need milk that has a grassy flavor that is...
So basically, like everything else, the better the milk, the more delicious the ice cream's gonna be. And you just added
cream, yes. So very little cream to the milk, you saw that?
And you make ice cream without cream?
Of course you can, yes, of course you can. So with all that cream left out, we're gonna add milk powder. So milk powder helps when it's freezing, then the ice crystals are less likely to form, and just helps in the general stability of the end product.
Would you say that milk powder is like the nicotine of the pastry world?
It's highly crutched upon.
Yes.
To the egg yolks, we can now add sugar, and this is 145 trimoline. Grandma wouldn't have used trimoline, but all it is invert sugar. So what invert sugar is, it's basically regular sugar and water taken up to a certain temperature and let cool back down. So when it cools back down, it comes into this paste. All we want to do to make the anglaise, heat this to about 50 degrees, 50 to 60 degrees, and then you pour a small amount into the egg yolks mixture. So we have the actual anglaise base here, and we're going to heat it just to 75. We hold it to 75 to ensure that it's going to be set, and then also to pasteurize it. Just reached 75, so we just strain it, ensure that there's no lumps, then we just put it straight onto ice. Once you have a good anglaise, then you can start working with any types of flavorings to this actual base. What we're gonna do with this one is actually make strawberry ice cream. So very simply, gonna take 500 grams of the base that we made. We're gonna use some Boiron strawberry puree, some freeze-dried strawberries just to enhance the flavor. Sometimes you can just enhance or change the set of the ice cream by also adding some gelatin. All we did, we melted the gelatin with some of the base, and then I just simply gonna hand blend it into the anglaise that we made earlier. And now we can just take this, put it straight into a Pacojet container. In proper freezer in this type of container will only take, say, 4 hours. So we're gonna do a dessert with peas and strawberries. So basically all we did was we made a mousse out of peas.
Which is delicious.
To which we'll just dust it also with some pea powder. So we have a strawberry and rhubarb compote here that we're gonna use in combination with the peas. Made a crumble with quinoa.
Quinoa's a grain.
Quinoa's a grain. Also we have some strawberry meringues. And then just the ice cream that we just made.
It's a study of strawberries, you know. You have a compote, you got ice cream, you have an unripe strawberry.
And that's basically the dessert.